Hello, I would like to show you how to build a bicycle stand, repair stand. Okay, first you start off with a tube like this size. And then you get some metal sheet and you bend it like this. And when you do it like this, you can hang it up in your garage. Okay, you need some welding skills. And now I'm gonna hang it up in my garage. Okay, you see up here, this is where it can go. There. Okay, and then what I did is I got this computer flooring stuff. I'll show you. My garage is a mess. Like this. But you can use a big bolt, and then you weld this on. And then you take some screws to adjust the level what you want to hang your bike. Like I did, like this. So if I turn this off, I can turn this way or this way. It depends on what kind of bike you have. And I made it welded on a tray. Can you have your tools? A couple of trays here, and some place to hang your tools. And now I'm going to show you how to put a bike on. Hold on. Okay, I welded on a clamp that keeps the bike on the steady. And what I use here is this is from an office chair that you can use, and the clamp goes like this. And on the back side I welded a nut, so when you screw this inside, it will keep your bike in place like this. Now of course this is on an axle. Depends on what kind of bike you have. Some frames goes like this and some are straight. So if you have like this, it's quite hard to keep your bike on the stand. So you need to have a bolt that secures this angle. So put a nut in there, it will keep tight. But usually the bikes, many mountain bikes are straight frames, so it will level like this. Okay, now I'll put my bike on, and as you can see here, I can do like this. It will secure with a clamp. And actually, the bike rotates. You need a computer flooring level foot or a big bolt. And of course I can also put the big bolt here to make it steady, then it won't rotate. And now I can work on my bike, and I can put parts that I just welded on here. And here's another shelf I can put some tools on. It's quite easy. Of course you need some welding skills, as I told you. And there's only spikes welded on. Good luck.